Chapter 3. Working with Windows 7. The operating system acts as an interface between user and the physical parts of the computer: monitor, keyboard, hard disk, and printer. It handles all the jobs of a computer. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is known as booting. Some of the operating systems are MS-DOS, Unix, Linux, Mac, and Windows. The latest version of MS Windows is Windows 10. Features of Windows 7. A general change of aspect has been produced among the screens of Windows. The bars, buttons, icons, etc. are more pleasant. It requires minimal hardware resources. It is user-friendly. It is GUI, Graphical User Interface based operating system. Desktop. Desktop is the on-screen work area. It is the first screen that appears when the computer is started. It contains icons, gadgets, and taskbar. Icons, Start button, taskbar, gadgets. Icons. Icons are the small pictures on the screen. It is an image which represents any file, folder, or storage, whereas shortcut provides the shortest possible method to access the file or folder. Documents. It is a Microsoft Windows folder that stores documents, program settings, and other files that are used with many of the programs that run on your computer. For example, when saving a file in Microsoft Word, the default folder will often be in Documents. Network. It allows the users to use other available resources on their network, like printer. A great example of a network is the Internet, connecting millions of people all over the world together. Recycle bin. It is a location where deleted files and folders are temporarily stored. It allows the users to recover files and folders that have been deleted. Gadgets. Gadgets are small applications that carry out various functions. Some are very useful, such as displaying the weather for your location. Some examples of gadgets are weather, puzzles, random pictures, etc. To add the gadgets on the desktop, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop. Step 2. Choose Gadgets. Step 3. Double-click on a gadget which you want to add to the desktop. If you want to remove the gadget from the desktop, place the mouse pointer on the gadget and click on Close button. Taskbar. A bar located at the bottom of the screen which allows you to locate and launch programs through the Start button. You can see any program that is currently open, display the time or date, items running in the background through the system tray, and pin. Start button, pin area, notification area, show desktop button. Start button. The Start button allows you to access your computer programs or configure Microsoft Windows easily. Pin area. It is shortcut of an icon placed permanently on your taskbar or Start menu. Right-click the icon for the program, click Pin to taskbar or Start menu. With this new ability, the need for the quick launch in earlier version of Windows is no longer need. Notification area. It is sometimes referred to as the sys tray, shell notification area, or the taskbar status area. It displays programs running in the background. It is located on the right portion of the taskbar. Show Desktop button. This button is located at the right side of sys tray. It allows you to minimize all open windows at once for easy access to the desktop. It is also used to reopen all previously minimized windows. Changing the position of taskbar. You can shift the taskbar to any of the 4 sides on the screen. To change the position of taskbar, follows the steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer on the blank area of taskbar. Step 2. Drag the mouse to left, right, or top of the screen. Step 3. Release the mouse button. The taskbar will be shifted to new location. Arranging icons on taskbar. All the active programs appear on the taskbar as individual icons. You can rearrange the order of icons according your usage. Simply hover your mouse pointer to a desired icon, and by clicking and dragging it to the new location will enable to change the location of icon on taskbar. Live Taskbar Preview. The Live Taskbar Preview is a feature that allows the user to hover their mouse over the open programs in the taskbar and see a thumbnail view of them. This feature can be useful for checking in on other programs, for example, copying and the time remaining.